Hey guys, welcome back to another tech update. So Ulefone has quietly released a new rugged phone called the Ulefone Armor X13. I do not know the official launch date of this device yet, but I'm expecting this device to be officially released in August. So the device is packed with decent specs that we'll be exploring in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. According to Ulefone, the device has a diamond design. Also at the back is a diamond-shaped camera module that contains two cameras, a flash, and infrared LED lights. On the right side of the phone, we have the volume rocker and power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. And on the other side is the SIM and SD card slot and a customizable key. The device weighs 300 grams and it is 13.55mm thick. The device packs a 6320 mAh battery and it supports 10 watts charging. Now this battery is guaranteed to last for up to 2 days depending on how you use the phone, but the phone supports only 10 watts charging, which would not be able to charge such a big battery rapidly. Just like other rugged devices, this phone is rated IP68 and IP69K, and according to Ulefone, the device could survive being submerged in water with a depth of up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. The device is also military grade standard H10H certified. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Helio G36, which is an octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz, paired with the IMG G8320 GPU with a frequency of 680 MHz. This processor is mainly used on budget devices. The processor isn't really great, but it can definitely handle light tasks on a daily basis. In terms of memory, the device utilizes 6GB of RAM and it packs a 64GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB via SD. As for the phone's display, it's a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600, and the device supports oleophobic coating, which helps prevent fingerprint smudges. As mentioned earlier, the device features dual rear cameras. The cameras consist of a 50MP primary sensor. It is the popular Samsung GM1 sensor that is used on many mid-range and budget devices, alongside a 24MP night vision camera, and in the front is an 8MP selfie camera. The device ships with Android 13, and according to Ulefone, it's going to be the stock version of Android, so there will be no ads, no unnecessary bloatware that would occupy space, which is good. Other features of this phone includes NFC support, face unlock, voice over LTE HD calling, dual SIM with 4G connectivity, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, LED notification light, and headphone jack, a single firing speaker at the bottom, and so on. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor X13, and like I mentioned earlier, I don't know its official launch date yet, but I'm expecting this device to be officially released next month. And also its price is not disclosed, but I expect this phone to cost about $200, maybe $220 or even less than that, but I'm only speculating, alright? Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new rugged phone from Ulefone, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.